Hello, my name is Emma Bogenkamp, and in this presentation, I'm going to shed some light on a topic that you may have heard of before, but certainly will be hearing more about in the future. This technology is known as stem cell therapy, and it may pave a new way to cure and prevent diseases. Stem cell therapy is a technological advancement that is used to treat or prevent diseases and certain conditions within the human body, using stem cells from an adult or from an umbilical cord. The stem cells are taken, then isolated before injecting them into the patient. Stem cell therapy can give people who have suffered from an injury the ability to recover faster by using stem cells to expedite the recovery process. In 1981, scientists were able to extract embryonic stem cells from mice. This started the progression to use this with humans, and in 1998, scientists were able to successfully remove cells from human embryos, which led to the evolvement into stem cell therapy. Cells make up the entire human body. We have different types of cells for each part of our body. These cells are used every single day in order to repair certain types of damage that our body undergoes throughout our life. The reason why stem cells are the best option to use is because they are undifferentiated biological cells, allowing them to be developed into any type of cell in the body. Once developed, the newly formed cells can renew, rebuild, or regenerate the unhealthy cells. Studies have shown that embryonic stem cells tend to work much better than adult stem cells. The reasoning behind this is due to the fact that embryonic stem cells tend to be more versatile and durable than the adult stem cells. This new technology is groundbreaking because it could have the potential to change the medical world and patients' lives that are suffering from diseases such as leukemia, Crohn's disease, diabetes, arthritis, and much more. There are around 80 different autoimmune diseases, which affects over 23 million Americans and very significant part of our population. These numbers are only for the US, and it does not include others who are affected by diseases globally. As you age, the amount of stem cells you have start to diminish, causing your healing process to become much slower than it used to be. But because of stem cell therapy, you can speed up the healing process, saving patients from a lot of pain. This new technology is much safer than many other alternatives. For one example, instead of a patient going through a major surgery such as a knee replacement due to a lack of cartilage, he or she can use stem cell injections to rebuild the lost cartilage. Stem cell therapy even has the possibility to treat people with diabetes by injecting the cell into the patient's pancreas and replacing the damaged cells with new ones in order to treat the insulin-inducing cells. More studies must be done when it comes to stem cells, not only because it helps that patient, but because it can also further the understanding of certain diseases. One way scientists are using stem cells in current studies is by testing new drugs on them to see how it interacts with the cells. Stem cell therapy is a major topic within the medical field and hopes to improve the lives of health of patients. Some of the leading organizations in the United States as of 2016 that have a focus on stem cell therapy are Osiris Biosciences, Orthofix NuVasive. With the growing research that has been done with the new technology, researchers are now able to direct stem cells to become a certain type of cell. For example, taking an embryonic stem cell and turning it into a heart cell. Although there are many breakthroughs when it comes to stem cell therapy, there is also many setbacks. There are many concerns from people as to what stem cell therapy is actually capable of. A man named John Rudolph suffered from COPD, which is a problem with the lungs, making it more difficult to breathe. He went to a clinic stating that using the stem cell therapy could help him breathe better, but in the end, it failed. He later realized that the clinic he went to, along with a few others, don't state that for certain conditions, stem cell therapy is not backed up by scientific evidence proving that it works. Stem cell therapy is not approved by the FDA except for one that treats body's blood-forming system. Although there are many instances such as this one, we should not neglect the case and studies that this new technological advancement has helped, especially with the amount of people in our population who are suffering from diseases. Stem cell therapy needs more research and tests done in order to be more widely accepted by the public so that we may be able to find the needs to prevent and cure many more diseases as well as helping many more people across the world.